your personal information? Is it okay?
Okay, I'm Priscilla B. Torres. Unang ko ba akong anak, then yung mga kalalaki, then isa pa mga babae. What is your idea about global teacher? Lahi na din sa una o karon kay ang karon good mura og kanang ipadali ito ang pagtudlo sa mga bata like mga gadget, kanang cellphone, USB. Kung matudlo mo, dili na pareha sa una bitaw na mura og kahit ayon ang pagtudlo kay kinahanglan pa jud nga kanang imong kanang tunan ini kaloriin para kung saon pag kanang deliver sa inyong speech sa mga bata kay diba ang kanang pagtudlo kinahanglan imong yung katunon murag like magkuan ka magkanang practice kay kagabi murag isod sa una nga panahon kay sa karon kay ang karon murag ipadali na nila bilikan sa kanang mga gadget kay ang mga bata pwede ra imo lang kanang kuan ng USB nya kanang explain na dito kung saon ni pagkanang kung saon ni siyang nanong na inana ito kay sa una good gusto kayo mo kung pagkanang mga charts nya kanang suwat ng mga teacher like karon nga pwede lagi motibihan kay murag kuan na gali ron nga hindi na ipaghatag kada room sa kanang mga bata nya nanay kanang mga laptop USB, cellphone, kanang daghan ang imong kapilian kung saan imong pag-explain sa mga bata. Maod ko mo, lahi ba dun? Like sa kanang laing nasod, di na ko gihapon ito kay maod lagi na nga naay mga gadget na lahi ba karon ni sa una. Mas nindot nga kanang yung course nga kanang teacher nga di kuha kay kanang ako kay mo matabang sa mga bata. So, usap ana lahi ra ang pagtudlo sa teacher karon kay sa una kay abi nga sa mga kaibigan so kung na ko ikasulti ninyo mga classes so thank you so much for sharing your time today and it's all that as a student and a teacher educator you learn something from your words or ideas or knowledge rather from what is global teacher and thank you for being there.
Good afternoon, Miss. We are from the St. Cecilia's College, third year DEL. So, one of our course tasked us to have an interview to some stakeholders. Is it okay to you to spare a little time to answer our question?
Yeah.
First, may I know your name?
I am Philogene Daclay.
Your degree program.
The program is Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
So our question is, what is your idea about a global teacher?
Global teacher. For me, global teacher is like that is socially and politically aware of the issues around the world or around the global world. And that is also adaptable in every community that she or he is assigned to.
Thank you so much for sparing your time with us, Miss. We really appreciate your ideas or knowledge. And as a student, we learned something from you. Thank you so much for giving your time and with
Sa una,
tapos kung wala, sila mga announcement, message na lang para hindi ka makasama sila. Nag-link so much after really wanted to do idea about sa lugar dito. I'm sure na sa so much.
Good morning, sir. So, my question is, what is your idea about global teacher?
First of all, thank you so much for inviting me. This question is very interesting, considering that I acknowledge that we have a lot of teachers who are really well performing in terms of various fields all around the world. But for me, global teachers is not just a global teachers, they are bridge builder across cultures, across various sects, religions, backgrounds, and even ideologies that our students have. As they nurture empathy, as they nurture critical thinking of our students. As such, for me, our global teachers help our students to apply what we have learned in class in the real world. The best hashtag that I can describe to our global teachers is that hashtag inspirational guidance, because they inspire our students to really apply what they learn in class to a lot of global issues in our world today. And that, just like our professors in UP, whatever it is, and I really hope that our global teachers uphold this one, because our teachers in UP, for instance, they uphold the highest standards of honor and excellence in the service of the Filipino people. And I really hope that our global teachers also do its best to help the community itself, the grassroots, the students who don't even know how to read and write in this very in this community in our community for instance. Because when we uphold honor and excellence, when we uphold this highest standard of honor and excellence, we can see teachers who really push educational boundaries despite a lot of problems, especially in our country right now in terms of education, and advocate for greater opportunities, because we have representation from the Senate, for instance. We have teachers who do its best to contribute to have various programs or various proposals to the government to have better opportunities, not just for the students but for the teachers as well. Reason why, yes, I am a proud product of UP, where excellence is always a priority. But again, for me, I recognize that there is also a need for the better opportunities for our teachers, because without this, wala tayong ganito, wala tayong global teachers na masasabi that can truly thrive, that can truly help the next generation. That is the student who is a very good, who is a good contributor, a very smart individual that could help immensely in our future. So I think that's all. That's all for me.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you for your ideas. Afternoon, ma'am. I am from St. Cecilia's College, Cebu. We as career student, and one of our courses has us to do an interview with some stakeholders and about what are their idea of a global teacher. So for you, ma'am, what is a global teacher?
Okay, for me, a global teacher is equipped with competence in terms of the subject matter. He or she is teaching with innovative skills, knowledge on the understanding of the different pedagogies of teaching, and also equipped with appropriate values and attitudes that can drive our learners to be globally competitive. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing your insights. afternoon, Kap. We are from St. Cecilia's College, Cebu, third year college student. One of our course tasked us to do an interview about your idea of what is a global teacher.
Okay. I'm Elmer Payuso, punong barangay sa Barangay Kapungan, City of Naga. Regarding niya sa question ni ma'am, karon based on in traditional yung gamit karon sa atong mga estudyante, like kuha na gyud ganam na gyud siya og ingon tampo nga high upgrade yun ang iyang system sa global. Sabi na gyud ang atong mga estudyante karon nagagamit na og mga, for example, ang atong mga gikan diri sa daycare, murag na sila yung mga parts sa kuha, na sila yung mga computer na para sa pagtudlo sa mga estudyante. Sabot na nga ito sa time kung sa itong elemental, ito na sa inyo. So, maun na na ito with bus. Kuhan yun. May taas yun atong sistema sa light sa kuhan. Sa atong mga teknolohiya na panggamit sa mga pagtuon.